Hello everyone. Today we're going to see one issue which is currently going on with Opencode and Anthropic prod AIs. So Anthropy has limited, or you can say he has changed, has given the support, and revoked the support for other CLIs normally, especially for the Opencode. If you Google it, like Anthropic AI not working in Opencode, you can see in the Google also they have written like Anthropic blocked the open code access and other tools like Cursor for AI because open code was using Anthropic's paid cloud subscription like Cloud Max to run countless resource intensive coding agent, violating terms of services by effectively bypassing it the indeed usage and generating massive inference cost for Entropy. So whatever the main issue is like Anthropic is directly not supporting in the Cloud AI. Even eventually Anthropic Cloud AI is not directly supporting in the open code. Eventually, it's even open code is giving the API keys, which is coming from the Anthropic. It's not directly able to use it. So today we are going to see how we can configure the we going to configure open code with anti-gravity, Google's AI agent. If I go to the anti-gravity, if you don't not aware of it, anti-gravity, just open it. Google Antigravity is also a IDE that gives the support like it's similar to Cursor and OpenCode actually. Google's Antigravity. If you have not installed, first you need to install the Google Antigravity in your machine. So let me download it first. I download for the Windows 64. Antigravity one is downloading. I think Antigravity I already have installed. Let me check again. And how we can connect with OpenCode? You can Google it, Antigravity with OpenCode. You can able to see the first GitHub by this Neofabris, if I'm not mistaking the pronunciation. He has provided a open code anti-gravity auth. So it's basically what it's going to do. Let me show you. First, I go to the CMD command prompt and I open the open code in the CMD. Control P, switch model, Google. You can see Google Gemini, we can only able to use using API key. But after installing this plugin, it going to allow us to use OAuth Google actually. You can see OAuth plugin for OpenCode. Google Gemini CLI. How we can install it? Here we can see in this page some installation process. Option A, let the LLM do. So we can just copy paste this command in any of the LLM's side, and it's going to do for us, or for by using the manual setup. If let assume you're not able to go to the any of the LLMs are not able to paste it or due to any reason, you can also go to the JSON file. You can edit it. In the you can see in the .config opencode.json will be there. This plugin may where keyword is not available. You just need to copy paste all those things or all the whole this thing. So as of now, I'm going to use this LLM version only. I copied the LLM command and I go to ask anywhere. I'm going to just paste here. You can see it's pasted one line. It's showing. I hit enter. It's going to do the things for us. You can see error file not found. So it's going to make the file. It's going to build actually showing. Okay. It's builded. I think it's completed. Okay. So it's completed. Let me get exit from it. And again, I need to log in actually. So we can use the Opencode auth login. Let me go to the new tab actually. I just close the old tab. Right, open. It's giving some issue, cannot load because running Scriptrix is disabled on this system. Okay, sorry, I have opened the power cell. It should be in the Windows command prompt. Open. Hold. Okay, now if I go to the switch models and if I go to Google, you can see directly, actually, without going to Google, you can see we can able to use plot APIs using the anti-gravity actually. So if I go to, okay, I don't go, let's go to the model. Let's go to the provider actually. Where is the switch provider? Uh, Switch provider, why it's not showing? Connect provider. You can see if I go to the Google, now we have two options. Manually enter API key or otherwise we have OAuth with the Google anti-gravity. So what it will be do, it's going to use the anti-gravity models actually with Opencode. I click here, it's going to open here. I'm going to just pass it. But I'm going to sign in, close this tab. Okay, it's completely signed. We automatically reject the redirect back to the normal connection. Authenticated. Okay, the authentication is completed. Now you can see control P, provider, connect provider, Google. Okay, I've already logged in. Let me go to the model section. Switch model. You can see all those things which is available using the anti-gravity. We can able to use it directly here. So from the anti-gravity, we can able to use the plots, opus and all those things. Also if I click here and type hello, hello, you're using see it's gone to the anti-gravity cloud opus 4.5 thinking. So it's going to thinking, so it's going to take some time and you can see we're going getting the result. I'm a cloud made by Anthropic. So by this way, we can able to use the Anthropic cloud models in the Opencode.